The world of automotive performance, the race to zero, the sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour is now just as thrilling as the race to top speed. And in 2025, manufacturers from around the globe are pushing the limits of acceleration with a new generation of hypercars and super sedans. These vehicles don't just go fast, they explode off the line, with several achieving sub-2-second launches once thought to be impossible. Here are the 10 fastest accelerating cars of 2025, complete with verified 0 to 60 miles per hour times, horsepower figures, drivetrain technologies, and real-world test results where available. Buckle up, these cars don't stick around for long. Number 1. Rimac Nevera R. The Rimac Nevera R is the reigning champion of acceleration. At the 2025 Goodwood Festival of Speed, it stunned the world with a verified 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 1.66 seconds and a world record 0 to 249 to 0 run in 25.79 seconds. Powered by 4 independent electric motors and cutting-edge torque vectoring, it's not only the quickest car off the line, it's a technological revolution on wheels. Number 2. Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170. The Dodge Demon 170 is the ultimate street-legal drag car. Fueled by E85 and equipped with trans-brake launch control and drag radial tires, it achieved a verified quarter-mile time of 8.91 seconds. Though its 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 1.66 seconds only applies to NHR A-prepped drag surfaces, it remains the fastest gas-powered production car in history. Number 3. A Spark Owl. The Aspark Owl is a futuristic electric hypercar from Japan. Made almost entirely of carbon fiber and weighing just over 4,000 pounds, the Owl hits 60 miles per hour in approximately 1.72 seconds under ideal conditions. While most data comes from manufacturer testing, its performance numbers are consistent with its engineering, including a near-silent electric motor configuration and ultra-low stance. Number 4. Pininfarina Battista. Designed by the legendary Italian studio Pininfarina and built on Rimac's electric platform, the Battista blends beauty and brutal power. It has been independently verified to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 1.8 seconds. With 4 motors and active aerodynamics, the Battista is not only fast, it's breathtaking. Number 5. Lucid Air Sapphire. The Lucid Air Sapphire is a full-size luxury sedan that hits like a race car. It clocked a verified 1.89 second 0 to 60 miles per hour time at Sonoma Raceway, using launch mode and prep conditions. It also ran the quarter mile in 9.3 seconds at 153 miles per hour, making it the fastest 4-door EV ever tested in real-world conditions. 6. Koenigsegg Gemera HV8. The Gemera HV8 isn't just powerful, it's the most powerful 4-seater car ever made. Combining a twin-turbo V8 with 3 electric motors, it produces a mind-blowing 2,269 horsepower. While Koenigsegg hasn't yet released official 0 to 60 miles per hour test data, simulations and track data suggest 1.9 seconds is achievable under ideal conditions. 7. Rimac Nevera. Before the R update, the original Nevera was already a hypercar legend. It set 23 world records in a single test day in 2023, including the fastest 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 1.81 seconds, and quarter mile in approximately 8.58 seconds. Even today, it remains one of the quickest and most advanced electric vehicles ever produced. 8. Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute. The Jesko Absolute is engineered to be the fastest car on Earth. While top-speed testing continues, Koenigsegg claims acceleration times that suggest 0 to 60 miles per hour in as little as 1.6 seconds is possible, though no public tests have confirmed this figure yet. 9. Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus. The Chiron Supersport 300 Plus was the first car to officially break the 300 miles per hour barrier. Though Bugatti focuses more on top speed than acceleration, estimates and tests place its 0 to 60 miles per hour performance in the 1.7 to 1.8 second range thanks to all-wheel drive and immense torque from its W16 engine. 10. Hennessy Venom F5. Texas-based Hennessy Performance creates the Venom 5 is set to challenge for the title of the world's fastest car. With an aerodynamic design and raw twin-turbo power, it's expected to hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.8 seconds, though official testing data is still limited. Thanks to rapid advancements in electric drivetrains, traction control software, and launch systems, the world's fastest cars are now quicker off the line than most motorcycles.